Hello, Brenda Lee. First and foremost, I hope that you're doing fine. Right now, as you may see, I have the video. I opened it directly with YouTube because when I was trying to do it in the Campus Virtual, somehow the little subtitles were there, and I just didn't want to, cause any misunderstood. So I have it here. I just uploaded it. I just opened it here, and as you mentioned here too, I have this and I'm showing it so you can see it. I have the words I didn't understand, and I did a vocabulary list for that, with the translation, the synonyms, and parts of the speech. There are 4 words that I couldn't find any synonym for, and I really tried with different resources, with dictionaries.com, thesaurus. I also tried Google Translator, Lingua, and so on. So, but for the rest of them, I did find the ones that I saw, and basically that was it in regards of that. Now I'll continue with the interpretation of the video.
Hay ciudades con mucha agua y otras que son muy secas. Existen lugares muy aislados y grandes centros urbanos. Sin embargo,
there are places that has a lot of water. There are others that have very dry weather. There are places that are inhabited, and there are others that are very crowded.
Sin embargo, hay una ciudad única, donde la gente vive bajo tierra. Se trata de Coober Pedy.
Nonetheless, there is a particular place where people live underground, and it's called Coober Pedy.
En Australia. Este pueblo tiene 2.000 habitantes y está en el medio del gran desierto australiano, a unos 800 kilómetros de Adelaida.
And this is actually found in Australia, in the middle of the Great Desert, and it's around 800 kilometers from Adelaida.
La podríamos llamar la ciudad de los hombres topo, ya que el 80% de la población vive debajo de la tierra, entre 2 y 7 metros bajo la superficie.
We could call it the city of the mole man, since 80% of its population lives underground, around 2 to 7 meters under it. Wow! Look, this is the kitchen.
Coober Pedy fue fundada en 1915. Atrajo a los visitantes por un recurso natural muy valorado, el ópalo.
Ah!
What?
Ah! Come have a look. If you see the color there.
Right here? No, I don't see what you're talking about.
Coober Pedy was founded in 1915, and it attracted most of its visitors due to the main resource that it's found there, and it's called the opal. You see this? Where? No, I don't know what you're talking about.
You see the color there?
Oh my goodness.
Man. Se trata de un mineral que se usa en joyería y para piedra tallada. Actualmente, allí se concentra más del 95% del mercado mundial de ópalo. Sin embargo, la ciudad tiene un problema. En verano, la temperatura llega a los 48 grados centígrados.
Wow, can you see it? Yes. Oh my god. Alright, so in this place, a lot of the percentage of this material can be found here and is extracted to produce a lot of stones that are later used for jewelry. And sometimes in summer, the temperature goes up to 48 degrees.
Casi no hay lluvias y hay tormentas de arena. Es decir, se convierte en un ambiente muy hostil para vivir.
There are almost no rains. There are a lot of sandstorms, and it becomes a very hostile place to live in.
La solución la encontraron los trabajadores de las minas de ópalo. Se dieron cuenta de que cuando descendían para extraer los minerales, el clima era mucho más benigno. Por eso es que empezaron a quedarse bajo tierra y poco a poco comenzaron a hacer sus casas.
The solution was found by the miners who, when they were extracting the mineral and going underground, they found that the weather down below was a lot more mild, and they started to build their houses underground.
Con el paso del tiempo, la ciudad empezó a evolucionar bajo tierra. De los asentamientos básicos pasaron a desarrollos mejor logrados. Actualmente hay comercios, restaurantes, una galería de arte y hasta una iglesia.
As time passed, the place underground started to develop a little bit more, and now a lot of different things could be found, like churches, art galleries, restaurants, and so on.
Sind die Stühle und so weiter, da ist der Altar.
En todos los casos, el techo es el suelo, y si querés ampliar tu casa, simplemente tenés que picar la pared.
Oh, here are the chairs, and that's the altar. And, well, in any case, the floor is the ceiling. And if you want to extend or enlarge your house, the only thing you have to do is start digging a little bit more.
Un momento bisagra para la ciudad fue en 1981, cuando se vio el potencial turístico y se creó el primer hotel subterráneo.
A key moment for the city was back in 1981, where the touristic potential was found in the place. Thus, an underground hotel was built.
El Desert Cave Hotel funciona desde aquel entonces y no solo ofrece habitaciones. También se pueden hacer excursiones a las minas y hasta intentar extraer ópalos.
So the Desert Hotel started to function since then. But this does not only gives you the opportunity of getting a room. You can also do a lot of tourism and go underground, and you can also extract opal.
There's 700 holes that I passed on the way in here. I'm in one of those. The only person that knows which hole I'm in is George.
There are around 700 holes, and I am in one of them. And the only person that knows in which hole I am is George.
And he just went up that shaft on a rope. This is dumb.
And he just went out of there, and this is dumb.
El paisaje típico en el exterior son las ventilaciones de aire que permiten la vida en el interior. Al no recibir luz natural, las viviendas consumen mucha energía eléctrica.
A common landscape in that place are the air conducts to sustain the underground houses. And, well, underground in the houses, there is a lot of consume of the lights and thus the electric energy.
Pero la gran disponibilidad de energía solar lo hace sustentable. Otra particularidad que se puede ver sobre la superficie es una cancha de golf.
However, due to the common access to solar energy, makes this a very easy thing to get. And another particularity of this place are the golf courses.
Pero si casi no llueve y hace un calor insoportable, ¿cómo se puede jugar al golf ahí? Bueno, en primer lugar, es una cancha sin césped.
So, if it doesn't rain that often, and there is a very unbearable heat, how is it that these people play golf? Well, the thing is that the golf course is made out of ground.
En el desierto. Y en segundo lugar, juegan de noche, cuando el sol y el calor dan un respiro. Por eso es que usan pelotitas brillantes, que se pueden ver todo el tiempo.
And the other thing is that they play at night. So, in this manner, they avoid the heat and the sun. And they also use colored balls.
Coober Pedy, en definitiva, es digno de una película. No solo lo creemos nosotros, sino que eso se les ocurrió a varios directores.
So Coober Pedy is worthy of a movie, and we don't believe this alone. Also, some other directors believe that too.
De hecho, ahí se filmaron Mad Max 3,
It's your lucky day. It is.
una película en la que usaron el paisaje como si fuera Marte,
And actually, in that place, a movie was directed called Mad Max 3, and another one that, used the landscapes to show as if they were in Mars.
y otra con Vin Diesel. Todo esto solo es posible en Coober Pedy, la ciudad subterránea.
All of this is possible only in Coober Pedy, the subterranean city, where another movie called, that starred Vin Diesel was also made there.
Si llegaste hasta acá, probablemente sea una buena idea suscribirte a Un Mundo Inmenso para seguir conociendo los lugares más inexplicables de nuestro planeta.
If you were able to get until here, we recommend you that you subscribe so you can continue learning about other great places from around the world. Okay, so at this point I finished the video, and I hope that, you enjoy it and that you subscribe to my channel. No, I'm kidding. Don't subscribe to my channel. It's gonna be like, you're not gonna see anything there besides this, but still. I hope that you have a very good night, and if there is any question, I'll bother you as usual in WhatsApp. So thank you for everything, Brenda Lee, and have a good night. Bye.